The ancient Brahmaputra flows eternal witness to Mymensingh's story. From above, water, land, and life intertwine.
To the east, green villages pulse with quiet rhythms, farmers bend to earth.
Smoke curls over tin roofs, children chase the sun.
At Jaynul Abedin Park, trees guard memories of art and rebellion. Along Kachari Ghat, the river breathes as boats dock and rickshaws hum, a lifeline between past and present.
Here, the Brahmaputra is more than water.
It is time itself, carrying centuries in its current. As we rise higher, the tapestry unfolds village and city. Tradition and change, silence and sound.